Guys, today I'm doing a video on a cool science experiment, but I have to hurry up because my charger, my tablet is at 3%. So, what you're going to need for this science experiment is a bowl, some milk, some Ajax, Q-tips, and food coloring. Alright, so just going to set it up real quick. Alright, that's good. You don't have to see me, but whatever. First, get the bowl right here. And then get your milk. Pour it in the bowl. Uh-oh, too big. Oh yeah, it might get a little mess. So then, get some food coloring. Gotta hurry. I got some green. Pour it in there. I got blue or purple. That was blue. So I got green and blue in there. And we got pink or red. That's red. Alright. So this is what it's gonna look like so far. And then what you're gonna do is take a Q-tip, get some Ajax right there. Get some Ajax. I'm just gonna pour it on the right there onto the counter, and then I'm gonna dip it into this. Whoa, that looks cool. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. AG, deuces.